Switch on.
Yes, I've started the recording, and the only reason
Mute yourselves.
the only reason I'm not on video is that my laptop is kind of upset with me and decided that it will not show my face to people. But thankfully, today is the session on Canva, so you don't need to see me. My DP is enough. All you will need to see is the Canva screen, which will be all on your screens throughout the session. Okay, so let's begin. And before even I go to Canva, these are a couple of thoughts we had discussed in a small group yesterday, which I would like to share. Okay, so welcome to the Canva hands-on learning group. And the whole idea here is that one person every day will be taking up the challenge of either creating a video or a flyer or something like that in Canva. And while the person is doing it, the others watch and learn. Uh, Disclaimer from my part, I have pretty much just registered on Canva yesterday, day before yesterday during Aradhna's session, and I haven't created anything till date on that. So this is going to be my first attempt at working on Canva publicly, and that too publicly. So interesting times. Okay, so thank you, Vibha. Yes, let me start with the quote. Everything is created twice, first in the mind and then in reality. We all know this. And this is pretty much why we say that the mindset is very important. Get things in your mind first and then they will happen. Let me take the liberty of introducing a third place in between the mind and the reality, which is a very simple pen and paper. Once you have your thoughts formulated in your mind, translate them onto paper. This is a very important step so that when you are translating that dream or whatever thoughts you had into reality, you are spending very little time in just laying down your thoughts. And that's important for us when we are talking about our tool Canva. If you decided you want to make a, let's say, a flyer or a video, don't just switch on your laptop, start Canva, and kick off. Don't do that, because now you will be looking at Canva and thinking what you want. Get onto pen and paper and write down what is the objective of that flyer, what is the message you want to communicate, what is the story you are telling, even if it's a one image, few words story. What is the kind of imagery what you want to use, and what are the exact words that you will be using which will go onto the flyer. Right now, with this clarity, when you go on to Canva, it is just about converting what you have thought of into reality rather than the actual thinking process of what you plan to do. Because with a tool with so many templates available, presets available, it is very easy to get distracted from what you wanted, and you get into the game of beautifying things rather than actually creating them. So you create them first and then you beautify them. Okay. So with that, as I said, preparation is the key. So I did a little bit of preparation early in the morning today, thinking about what I wanted to create and what kind of images that I will use, and at least a rough cut of what kind of words and text I will use. And that's where I decided let's go for a video today. And I decided upon a theme. Okay. So I am now going to jump on to Canva. And before I do that, let me show you also my folder where I downloaded some of the images. Okay, let me locate that. Yes. Okay, so today, early in the morning, I decided to download a couple of images. How do I, yes, let me increase the size here. Okay, now if you can see some of the images, yes, some of them are from the past, but I'll just say which images I downloaded today morning. This one, man and woman sculpting themselves, the transformation from a caterpillar to a butterfly. These were the two primary images which I downloaded because I planned to use them. And the others were already things which I had with me. Okay, so that was the amount of preparation. In terms of thinking about what I plan to do in terms of creation, I plan to create a video. Where is my Canva window? Okay, give me a moment. I need to find my Canva window. Okay. Share screen. Great. Now everybody can see my Canva window. Somebody give me a confirmation. Thumbs up. Okay, I can see thumbs up. Fantastic. So what I thought was that I will be creating a video which will be on the theme of be your own coach. Transform yourself, be your own coach. And the idea is to give people a couple of steps of how they can transform themselves. And at the end, of course, we can tell them that go ahead, do it. And if you think it's difficult, contact me. So yeah, ultimately telling them that it's not an easy journey. You probably need some expert advice. So come to a coach to get coached. Okay. The way it will be done is it will be a video. The video will not be made of moving images, but it will be slide after slide. There will be some text. And I was thinking between which images to use in the background. And then I concluded that I will probably spend too much time thinking about what are the images to use. So I'll just stick to some sort of a design or a plain background with text floating in front of it and moving along. Okay. We can always experiment with images, without images, but that's what I'm doing for today. Okay. So we are on Canva homepage where we have got all these options for you: presentation, social media, video. Since I've decided to do a video, I click on video, and now I see various options like video, Facebook video, video message, mobile video, and so on. I am clicking on Facebook video. My assumption is here that since the Facebook video option is giving me a sort of a square template, I will be able to use it equally well in Instagram as well as Facebook. And even if it is not a perfect square, then it's fine. I'll just have some black bands on the sides or top. Okay. So I now have a blank template. And now, just to reduce my load and use the power of Canva, we look at all the templates which are available on the left-hand side. Okay. As I go through the options, I see a lot of options with images, some without. Let me see something which attracts me. Ding, ding, ding. Now, this is where we will spend quite some time in just finding that one template which appeals to us, or if we have our own designs or thought process around designs, we can just create some from scratch. Okay. Come on, show me something which I like. Okay, when you see right now, my mouse pointer is one such template, and there it is showing 1 of 5, 2 of 5, if you can see that. Now that means if I select this one, it will give me 5 different panels. The next one, if I'm hovering my mouse, it has a video in it, but it is a single panel one. Now I plan to create a video with multiple panel, multiple text options. So I'll select, let's say, this month's freehand, whatever template it was. It has some nice shapes in the background. Okay. So now we have got these 5 panels. There are some pictures which I'll probably get rid of, but I'll retain the background. I like the background. So here's apply all 5. So I can actually go and apply all 5. Okay, I don't see all 5 appearing there. Maybe it will take a few seconds to come. Yes. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, my laptop is a bit slow today. Slow in general. Okay, I see them appearing on the screen. Okay, so now I can see all the 5 panels here. Now, the whole idea, as I said in the beginning, was tell people that transformation is key. They can transform themselves and give them steps to transform. Here comes my images, which I wanted to use. One of them was the image of sculpting yourself. I would like that to be the first panel. So I think I made a little bit of haste in putting the template first. I should have created something. Okay, let me try something. I'm going to add a page at the end. Okay, so now I have a blank page and I'll see if I can move it. Yes, easy to do. I created a blank page and I'm now moving it to the first position. Okay, I'm now here. Now I'm going to the extreme left where I have got templates, elements, and uploads. So I'm going to uploads here. Now those images which I had in my folder, I have uploaded this in advance just to save time here. Otherwise it was easy. Click on upload media here, select those images from our device, and we can do that. Okay, I want to use this as the first image. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, I'll expand it to occupy the full panel. Okay, yes. Okay, this is the image that will appear and I would like to have some text on it. Okay. Let me add a heading here. Okay. Transform yourself. I'm moving it to this lower side where I've got more dark areas so that the text is visible. Good. My first panel is ready. Great. I would like to have another panel. It says be your own coach, right? Or, okay, I was just thinking loud since I was a little bit. I think this image which we have of sculpting yourself will be a better fit for be your own coach, and I could use the other one. So yeah, course correction. I go back to this text. Okay, I just double clicked on it and selected it. Be your own coach. I typed it, but nothing happened. Okay, it appears. Okay, can I change the font size to make it appear in one line? No, I think this is fine. Be your own, and coach gets its own line, so it's a bit highlighted. There's something called effects here. I have no idea what effects are available, so let me just explore. Okay, fantastic. On the left-hand pane, you can see all the different effects. Now, since I'm trying to use a text on a picture, wherever the colors are a little bit matching, the text would disappear. So what I'm trying to do here is the best tool to use is a shadow so that it can stand out a bit. Okay. I don't know what color shadow it is using, but hope it is working. Okay. Okay. So this is done. I'll go back to my first panel and I will add the other image which I had. Yes, the butterfly is here. This is where I want to talk about transform yourself. Okay, if I try to stretch this image, so normally when you have an image, we always use the corners to stretch them, resize them smaller or bigger so that the length to width ratio is maintained. So if it's a circle, it grows as a circle. Otherwise, if you use these side handles to pull them, a circle will become an oval. So if I try to do this here, okay, at least Canva is protecting the image, but I'll lose the full visibility. So let me bring it back to its original form. Now I have got image only in the half section. Now I need to figure out if I can turn the background of this. Okay, no. Okay, there is something called background color right next to animate and the timer. No, I would like to have a black. Okay, that's much better. And now I can put my text, transform yourself. Ding, ding, I have to go back to text. Should I put something glowing? No, I think it will give me a ready-made one. No, I don't want that. I don't want this. No, I deleted the wrong thing. Okay, I'll stick to plain text for now. We'll find out how to add more fancy text later on. So transform yourself. Okay, I've already typed it out, but yes, it has appeared now. Ting, ting. Okay. Yes, let me see how big I can go with this. I plan to use this entire space here. Okay, I think this is good enough. Could be better. Can I do something with the color? I would like to choose a color which is closer to the color on my slide. Okay. So now it looks more congruent. Okay. So I have my first slide ready, which is transform yourself. My second slide in the video will be your own coach. And now I'm looking at what are the steps I need to give people to coach themselves. Okay, so I've got, okay, I've just double clicked on it. Step 1, know yourself. Intimately. I mean, everybody claims that they know themselves, but do they really know themselves? Okay, yourself spelling is wrong. Correct it. Twice. Okay, not capital. Know yourself. Intimately. There's something. See everything at really great site. Okay, I'll remove that. Okay, so that's step 1. Okay. Can I change font? I would just like it to be bold. Ding, ding. Does this work? Okay, not great. Archivo black. Okay, this is okay. Guys, I'm not spending too much time on the font and color selections, but I mean, I think we can spend as much time as we want till our heart's desire. I'm just trying
You want the dot after yourself.
Know yourself. The only reason I put that dot is because I put intimately. I actually wanted, so like know yourself. Intimately was like a afterthought, and to stress that more. That was my thought.
Okay.
Intimately. Okay, I'll stick to that for now. Okay, I come to the next one, which is our step 2. Okay, is there a possibility of copying this? I'm just trying to do a Control-C, Control-V there, if it works. I'm going to the next one. Okay, I don't plan to use this picture. Okay. Oh yes, I did a Control-C and Control-V are copy and paste, and it worked. So yes, I select the text again and just move it a little down.
Hemant, I'm just adding one thing here.
Yes.
Here, on the regular doesn't work. So everyone always use, whether it's in a text, Control-C and Control-V. It will prompt you in case something else, but this is just like a heads up.
No,
Thanks.
can you repeat that again? I couldn't hear you, so I'm not sure if others have heard.
Yeah, I said on Canva, any other form of copy paste doesn't work except Control C, Control V. So
Okay,
in case you even use any other option, the website will prompt you to use copy and paste. I mean, even if let's say I pick up an image from Google, you have to still use Control C, Control V.
fantastic, fantastic. Great. Thank you for that. Okay, so no, step one was knowing yourself. What do we put as step two? I almost forgot. Our step two was knowing your baseline IPC, integrated power coding. I don't want to put power coding there. Okay, let me put understand how your mind works.
What about know your mind chatter?
Know your mind chatter. I like that. Thank you very much. See, it's always helpful to have people around you guiding you. The power of mastermind, as we say. Know your mind chatter, also known as the monkey mind. Okay, so know your
Y
mind.
capital?
Yes, yes, yes. I'll do that. Okay, that did the trick. Mind chatters on a new line. Okay, I come back. I come to slide 3 or step 3. In fact, here I'll remove this image.
How did you remove the image? What do you do?
Okay, so I just selected this. So now I see the box and I press delete button on my keyboard.
Okay, okay.
I'm sure there should be, okay, on the screen, if you see, just in the top right corner, you see delete. So
Okay.
that's another way of doing it.
Thank
Can
you.
I say something again? I'm a
Yes,
frequent Canva user, so I'm just pitching in
definitely.
any of these preset designs. Like Hemant, if you put your cursor on that circle, it will show you, it will highlight that circle. If you put your cursor on that, yeah, put that, click,
Yes.
it should actually give a box. Likewise, you have peach color on the right with black dots. If you take the, it will give you a highlighted. So each highlight box, whenever you want to delete, you just press delete, but you have to select it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay.
This goes for all preset designs. See, like you can see that box. Now, once you select that, you can just click delete. It will take out that, it will capture that design and take it out because it's a preset design put together.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
And the thing with preset designs is it has this Canva written in the background. So if you see, there is a little bit of Canva written here in this blue triangle samosa. There is a Canva written here. So when you select that, it also gives this option of remove watermark. So either it will ask you to pay or do something. Anyway, so that we can explore later. Okay, we are on step 3. Thank you, Vibha, for that pro tip. Step 3.
One more thing,
Yes.
if it prompts you, Hemant, one more interruption, because you at the end of it you might have to redo. It prompts.
Vibha, we can't hear you, Vibha. You're cracking. And you're muted also.
If you are clicking on Canva, Hemant.
Yes, yes.
So if it is asking you, can we remove it? You can just click on that, it will be removed.
Ah, okay, as simple as that. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah, it's saying purchase premium.
If it is a purchased one, it's different, but you get free ones also.
Okay, okay. Got it. Got it. For now, we'll just make do with a little bit of Canva in the background. Okay. Step 3.
Hemant, once again, again, sorry,
Yes.
I'm interrupting. So this is what I was saying. Whenever it gives you that remove watermark, it's a purchased one. Generally, it will be about 75, like $1 or something.
Yes.
And so when you're selecting your template, just hover your cursor around. It will give you it will write free or paid.
Ah, okay. Okay, got it.
So while selecting the template, you will know.
Perfect. So that helps while selecting the template itself. Good. Cool. Yeah. As a first time user, I'm making all the mistakes. So as we say that we don't have to learn everything from our own mistakes, you can learn from other people's mistake also. So I'm the guinea pig today. Okay. Okay. We come to step 3. Okay. So we have heard our mind. We have known yourself. Know yourself. Here, know what your mind chatter is. And now we come to step 3. Step 3, phase 3 was all about decision making.
Outcomes.
Outcomes, yes. Okay. So this is where I talk about smart, but not smart, but smarter goals. So okay, I just need to find a way of highlighting this ER. Is there a way?
Yeah, you can go to alphabets and give them color. Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. So I need an equally strong color there.
Take that next color next to the blue. That will match your.
Light blue. Let's see what has happened. Come on. Okay, it went very light.
Hemant, the light blue won't stand out.
Yeah.
Just take the color of this bottom between the blue and the pink. That bottom pink, na? Take that color. Yeah.
Actually, you go to the +1, you can check, select the
Any color.
shades.
Yes.
Yeah. This is nice.
The only reason I was trying to take one of the presets was that I was assuming Canva would be looking at the template and suggesting me a color which is pretty much in line with the existing colors used. So it's again something for you to consider. Rather than going and selecting a completely different color, try to select a color which goes with the template. And which is why if you see the panel on the side, all the colors will be either the same shade or a different shade of the colors used in the template. It just maintains the homogeneity of the, it's the visual homogeneity of the slide. Okay, set smarter goals. Fantastic, done. Okay, I think I've taken a lot more than our scheduled time for just creating it, but it's a video and it's the first one, so it's okay.
No, I think you're still at 30 minutes only.
Yeah, the idea was to create the thing in 15 minutes, but okay, I mean, that was for a flyer and we are doing a video, so
Yeah.
this is equivalent to creating 10 flyers. Okay, we are at step 4.
Set yourself free.
Okay, set yourself free. Should we keep it last?
Yes.
I like that one. I mean, set yourself free. So
That is the 4th, na? Unleash you.
yeah, I'm trying to avoid the terms which will be
Same
using
terminology.
in the discovery.
Yeah. So that's why I said set yourself free.
Yeah. Okay. So 4th, I'm keeping as make your goals work. Because essentially this was about better decision making, about the mastermind, and about buzz moments. So I'm just putting is that whatever goals you have set, now make them work. And step 4, done. I come to step 5. Come on. Thank you. This image.
I like this make your goals work. It gives you the impression of taking action.
Yeah. Yes. Didn't think of that, but yes. Okay, I need to add text again. So I'm continuously doing the Control V to paste the same text which I had. So now I'm got on step 5. Set yourself free. Okay. So I've given the steps for transformation. Now I need to say something about, and if that sounds difficult, contact me. Okay. So here I'll go a bit narcissistic, put my own picture there. Time to introduce the master. Okay, come on. Okay, now I come back to text. I don't want too big a font now. And if all that sounds complicated, okay, let me resize that. Oh, make that. Okay, simple. Bold did not happen. Bold. Yes. Yep. All that sounds cool. HK. Do I have space for full name, Hemant? Come on, come on. Okay, I can put my full name. And bold. Fantastic. As a video, this is pretty much done. Now, the only thing I'm wondering is we are at 8 panels. Each panel looks like almost 5 seconds long. It might become a 40-second video. I would rather have it as a shorter video. Vibha, have you created videos, and any tip on if I can reduce the size of the length of time for all the panels together? Okay, fine. So we do it the hard way. I make it into 3 seconds. Did it work? Come on, show me some change. Okay, it is still showing 5 seconds. Okay, 3 seconds. This is 5. So 3. Okay. I'm sure somewhere there is an option. We should explore of all the slides becoming 3 seconds together.
What if you had blocked all of them and done it?
How do I do that? Control-C. Okay. So I am clicking, I have clicked control button and I'm selecting all the slides one by one. Okay, I'll not select the last one, but all the slides I'm selecting. Okay, the 5 is still there. And now I can make it 3 seconds. And I'll just hope it has worked for everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, I just kept last slide as 5 seconds. Okay, too much narcissism. Let me bring it down to 3 seconds. Okay, so now I have got 8 slides and my total duration should be 8 into 3, 24, but it is showing 32 seconds. Fine. I don't know why, but let's see if I click on this, will it show me a video? Okay, it is showing me a video. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, and with that, I realized there is no music.
Music,
Step
yeah.
1. Step 2, mind chatter. Step 3, get smarter goals, set smarter goals. Step 4 is make your goals work. Step 5 is set yourself free. It could go faster, right? If all that.
Yeah, I think it's too long. Too long. 3 seconds.
Okay, so let's do that. Yeah, so I mean, these are the things with a little bit of trial and error we will reach. And videos, if shorter, are, I think, better. As long as you're communicating your message, you can have a video which is as short as possible, because attention span of people is definitely a challenge.
Hemant, your second slide, the color does not flow through with the rest of the theme.
I agree. Now
So
that
it kind of stands out like a sore thumb. So you might want to have a look at that.
yes,
Find another image that would, with the same pastel background.
okay. There was something about transparency yesterday.
Go to this, this
Yes.
one, yeah.
Found it. So if I reduce the transparency a bit. Okay, now it's become a lighter shade.
It's still, now it kind of fades away. So you're not.
I know, but I have not been able to think of a better image for Be Your Own Coach, because basically I wanted to say that you are the one who sculpts your own destiny and your own future and things like that. So that was the idea of Be Your Own Coach.
That's okay. Those things, everybody will select their own pictures, right?
Yeah.
This is the process that we are learning right now.
Absolutely. So let me just do something about this font now.
Look at the background. If you can change the background of this.
No,
Hemant, the
No, the
background,
picture.
background, make it a little better, not so light, and change the color of your font to blend with the whole.
Match, yeah, to match the other.
Make
That
it that
thing-
blue color.
The
That
eye sees continuity.
yeah, the
No, the
moment I
blue
make it a dark color, it disappears.
dark blue. No, the blue.
Previous
Make
one
it
was
a-
good. The blue was
Yeah,
good. Yeah,
yeah,
the blue was
That's
good.
it. Now it looks good.
And what you could do against the Be Your Own, you could put one of these colors that you have in the theme.
Okay.
The background of Be Your Own, you can put the theme colors. Just take a copy paste.
In the background,
In the background of Be Your Own,
right?
so let it be like a box, but with the background, just take if you can copy paste those colors would be great.
Okay. Let's try that. I go to elements and there should be some shapes. Okay. Ding, ding, ding.
A rectangle.
Yes. Okay.
Just type shapes over on the top, you will get them.
Yeah. Got something. Okay, now I need to color it. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Cuts off the image a lot.
Pick the same background from the previous, yeah, the pink, blue.
Let me go there. I'll select this. I'll copy this.
Yes.
When I come back here. Voila, it worked.
Yeah, super.
Good. Okay, now I need to push it to the background of Be Your Own Coach. Okay, how do I do that? Okay, there has to be some way of pulling Be Your Own Coach forward, which was very easy to do in PowerPoint.
Just click on Be Your Own Coach.
Yes, but
That'll go up, push it up.
No, it is still behind. Okay, let me do this.
Bring that down. Bring the color down.
No, I cut it and I pasted it again, so it is now.
Yes.
Yeah, it's working. Super. Yeah,
can
now
go-
it makes absolutely,
Okay, so I'll bring it
the
down.
flow of color is there now.
This I'll bring down. Thank you, ladies,
You're very welcome.
for all the inputs on colors and placement, because this can come only from you. We men have no idea of it. Okay, so I think this is cool enough. Now I'm
Let's
just
start from
wondering
the beginning.
about
Let's
this
do the
one.
slideshow from the beginning.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'm just thinking about the background of this. Doesn't look great now that I look
You
at
can
it.
do the same colors.
Same background, not like that. Put that whole template, one template copy, please.
Okay, template copy.
The pink,
Okay,
blue.
okay. So, ding, ding, ding. How do I do that? Okay.
Yeah,
Let-
remove the text from there and add it there.
Yeah. Duplicate. So I'll take a duplicate of the last slide. Go to that, remove the text. Okay. I go here, take my picture, come back here.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay, little text will kind of disappear, but we'll have to work with that. Next. Okay.
Hemant, if you can remove this circle, it's looking like a noose.
The wheel of life out. Okay. For this image, if I have to add some effect, no effect. Oh, it says remove background. Will it apply? No. It will ask me.
No.
No. Okay. So nothing fancy. Ding. Nothing. Just give me a border. Nothing. No, I
Yeah,
don't.
mist was good. That earlier one which you showed was good. Mist, embarrassed you or something.
Okay. Anyway, we'll get this thing going. And I think the 9th one is no longer required, so I can delete it. And yes, let me change the time of this one to 3 seconds.
Two. You want to keep it longer.
Okay. Now, somehow all these slides are again back to 5 for some crazy reasons. Okay. 3 seconds. Okay. Might just take a minute, but let me do this manually one by one.
You did it, no? Select all of them and then you changed it, no?
Yes, I did that, but apparently that did not work. Now it is showing all of them as 5 again. Okay, now it is showing 3. That's crazy. 3. Oh, see, this is 5 again.
You had changed all of them to 2 actually.
Yeah. I mean, did some change, but did not really work. So for whatever reasons, it was showing it as 5. Okay. 19 seconds. Good enough. People will bear with me for 20 seconds and let's play. Transform yourself. Be your own coach. Step 1 is know yourself intimately. Step 2, know your mind chatter. Step 3, get smarter goals. Set smarter goals. Make your own goals work. Set yourself free. And if all that sounds complicated, talk to the Unblock coach, Hemant.
You can also add sound over here, right?
Hemant, don't you want to put some contact details, an email or a telephone number?
Yes, that's what I'm wondering. The thing is, yes, it will be helpful to put all those things, at least one of them.
You could put email and telephone number, I think, because when you say
Mobile, I just want to kind of avoid, because my mobile number will be a UAE mobile number. And if I give WhatsApp number, which is my India number, people will tend to call.
Correct. So just put an email.
Yeah.
Then don't write talk to, say write to.
And what about the Hemant, like background music, some music we can add it over here?
Yes, I am very bad at selection of music because I don't listen to music. So ding, ding, ding. Okay. Where is the music option in here? Is there a music option in here?
More में देखो.
More में पैसा लेगा वो. Okay, there is some audio. Okay.
Happy. See happy on top.
Okay. Ding. Okay, I've got something of that sort. Where is my sound share? Okay, I just stopped sharing for a moment because I need to share again with sound. Okay, so now if I'm going to run this, very strangely I've added sound and it is not playing. Okay, where did that sound go? Happy whistling.
You say apply. Did you say
No, exactly
apply?
what happened, you have added a sound only on the last click. So when the last clip will play now, you have selected the last slide. So when last slide will come, only the sound will play, on not on the all slides. So there is always
Okay.
difference between all slides. Yeah.
Point. Yes. So now I've got happy whistling all across. Okay, so it stopped. Now let me play and see if it works.
Yes.
Fantastic. I'm happy with the result. I'm just going to spend like 30 seconds more on my picture. Somehow I want to do something with that.
I saw one.
Select the picture and see the
this
background if you
graphic.
can do.
Yeah.
No, see
avoid
the
white
graphic. In the graphic, go in the graphic and the third one.
Where is
Select
graphic?
that and put it around your picture. There on the side.
Ah, yes, this one. Okay.
Take the third one. Take the third one. Yeah,
it's all
third
paid,
one.
paid.
They're
Paid
all
one.
paid, ma'am.
They are
Okay.
paid. Oh,
Yeah.
Yes.
Actually, in the line, just put it as a frame.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Even if I just get a box around myself, I will be fine.
Hemant, avoid a white background against your picture.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting. I am not able to remove the background.
Hemant,
Yes.
here 1 second. Because it's a paid one, you may not be able to remove the background.
Yeah, I know.
But you can try, just right click on the background. Do right click. Don't select your photo, go to the background, go out of the box, right click,
Okay. Out
go
of
to the
box,
bottom,
okay.
replace background. Right click.
Yes.
Now, go out of your photo into the background.
Yeah, I'm in the background.
Now do right click.
I just get copy, paste, delete, and add comment.
नहीं अभी आया था I saw there was a different box.
Move your cursor to another area.
See, I get only this.
Go to the last one, replace background, or it can just see what happens with replace background.
Wow.
oh
Ah,
wow.
this is nice.
Now you can remove all the samosa and pizza pie and everything if you like.
No,
So that
no,
it work
no.
here.
God knows what happened, but
Or you
No,
make
don't
it small.
remove.
Whatever you like, but
yeah.
just make it smaller. Move it out of the way. So it's not raining in your ears, I mean.
And your face, make it smaller. It's like you're
I
boxing
know, I just
somebody
got
with
blown
a-
up. But I can't make it smaller now. It has made me the background.
Yeah. The other thing you can do, Hemant,
Yes.
is okay,
You
just go to
You can make
undo.
it more transparent, Hemant. That will work, I think.
No, this
Your
is
picture.
nice. This
Okay.
is,
I'm
don't
just
remove.
removing. Yeah, I'm just
No,
removing
no,
everything
don't
else.
remove the colors, Hemant.
Hemant, that is nice. Keep it.
Okay.
All
Okay.
the three, keep all the three, the left one also, and then just make it smaller.
Okay.
Yeah, make it smaller. That's all.
Yes.
Not so small. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bas, yeah. Yeah, enough.
Okay.
Lovely.
Get the samosa.
And can you change that angle shape? I don't, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
you
I'll
can
bring it
change
this
the
way.
angle. Like just now
Yeah,
that
this is
samosa
okay.
is
This
on the
was nice.
left. Just click on the samosa and go below. There's this two-way arrow.
Okay.
There, you can change the location then, correct? And the angle.
No, don't have it pointing to you. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I think this is nice.
That's the narcissist tendency. Let it be.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And
It's
you
a
want to
samosa. I
change
mean,
the
it has to
color, then you
point.
can change it.
Let the samosa be in your hand here. Come on. You're eating it.
Okay.
Take a bite.
Okay. I think this is good. Now it's about saving it, downloading it. Okay. Is there a save option? What are the options?
Go to download first.
No,
Go-
first
go
check the
download.
whole thing, play it again so that see that you made changes,
do
they all
that.
have remained.
Okay. The final go.
Wow.
Hemant,
Beautiful.
check your third
Beautiful.
slide. Third slide.
Okay. I'll
So-
check that.
Third step,
Fir-
because there is
First slide
third one.
also, first step
Next
was
one.
also very quick.
Just a
I
second.
think so.
The third
Next
slide is
one.
3 seconds. I'll make it 2 seconds.
Hmm.
Keep the time the same.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's not, just keep it constant.
Okay. The first one, should I keep 3 seconds because it's the first one people may miss or
Yeah.
something? Okay, I think it's okay.
I don't
This
think so.
this slide. Yeah.
Yes.
This picture, remove it.
Yes.
This is 3 seconds, no? That is why. Hello, step 2 was 3 seconds.
Okay, let me see that again. Yes, it is 3 seconds. What is happening with this timing?
Any change you make, the timing is changing.
Okay. So now 2.
Save.
Yeah, this is 2. This is 2. 2. Okay, last one 3 is fine.
First and last 3 is fine.
Okay, first I'll also make 3. Okay, sir. 2 8s are 16 and 17, 18. Fine. I think this is fine. Okay. Shall I save it now? Download.
Yep, go ahead. All the best.
MP4, all 8 pages. 6 premium images. Why? Which are the premium images? I don't want any premium.
1 second, just wait. Hold on.
They're showing, no, these pink one, the brown one, and the pink one. These are all the designs that are paid for.
Oh, yeah.
Hemant, just go 1 second on the top, scroll up, please.
Yeah.
So drop down menu for MP4 video. Just click that. This is just for the learning thing. It gives you the option how you want to print, how do you want to download. You can download it as image or video or a GIF. That is one thing you can choose. Then the second thing, close this option, please.
Okay.
Escape. Then you go to select pages. This is just an event where you want to select certain pages and not the whole thing. Then you can select the number of that page.
Okay.
Or you just download the whole thing with the preferred or suggested format.
Okay. But right now, I will actually have to go and remove all those premium.
You have to
content.
choose the same thing on another design because you chose a paid one, right? So that's why it
Yes.
is going to cost
Mistake
you
number one at right at this time.
$86.
All those squiggly lines and samosas were expensive. $1 for a samosa. And $1 for
They
a...
don't come free, no?
Yes. Okay. So
Lost you.
let me try one thing for now.
Okay, one question here.
Yes.
That now that he's made it,
Yeah.
okay, when he's playing it, he records it on his mobile and doesn't download it, and he doesn't pay for it, and he has it.
No, it won't be the same quality.
Yeah. it won't
Hemant,
be
you
good.
have start your free trial, 30
I
days.
have something to say.
Yes,
Just take
sir.
a free trial and download it.
Just
Okay.
give me a second so that I can tell something about it. So can we download only the images which are there in this?
I
I
am
don't
looking
think
at
so.
No,
that.
no.
Only
No.
the image without the video.
No.
You will
This-
still pay
This
for it, Vinay.
template is a paid one.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you do is, listen, you have anyways made that picture. So let the picture be appearing complete full screen. Take a screenshot and make them images. No, listen.
Why do we have to do it?
Listen to my idea, then it's your choice what you want to do it.
Mhm.
Now that
Good.
he has made the complete image and complete picture, if we have to do it again, you have to do it completely from the scratch. So when we take the complete picture, use the same pictures in a different tool like VID, which we discussed yesterday, or the video editor in the Windows. Put some music which is there for you, which is there, which you want to put up. These images are anyways framed. Now you have got the images. Use the same images, just add the music, finish it off. I mean, execute that. It gives you a video. There also, yeah, take the screenshots here.
What I have done on some occasions where I've made this mistake, Hemant, where I've selected a paid one, but I've not done a video. I've done flyers.
Right.
It automatically saves all your creatives. Okay. So you
Okay.
can just exit this. It should save. Then take a free one and then keep going, shuttling back and forth and just copy paste from here to there. That is one option.
From here to
So you
where?
don't have to redo your fonts and all, but yes, you will have some more editing to do.
No,
in a
but
new
where do I
format.
paste it to?
To the free template that you choose.
Ah, okay, okay.
That's
Got
what
it.
I've done in the past, where I've chosen a paid one. Then I realized, oh, I can't use this.
But
Okay.
no, the idea is to keep the same. It looks good. So I liked the other two options. One is to just play the video and record it. And the other is what Vinay said, take screenshots and do it on your computer.
But take it as when you are taking the screenshot, let that be complete full screen without any other things beside that, so
But
that the
there-
quality you
Yeah,
will
see,
have.
I'm
Yeah.
going to full screen. It is still showing this thing. It doesn't really go full
See,
screen.
no.
No,
Full screen is you click on
Okay.
now take this.
Okay, got
Go
it.
to the start.
Now
Go to the
you can do it in a print screen also.
Yeah, that's
No, I
right.
got it.
One second.
So I will have to play it.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I play it, it plays
After
it full
you
screen.
choose the,
Play it, pause it,
you
take the
finish.
screenshot. Play it, pause it, take the screenshot. Play it, pause it, take the screenshot.
Okay, lessons learned. Yes. Viva, you were saying something?
And the second, Hemant, what I was saying is when you click download, it gave you the option take pro for free for 1 month or 60 days or something is there, right?
They'll ask for my credit card details. See,
Uh-huh.
they start your free trial. The moment I go there,
It
I'm
gives you
sure
credit
it
card.
will. Okay. So try it for free for 30 days.
Then you can just download it.
Yeah,
Okay.
here it goes. Here are the
You only give
options.
the free when you buy the one year वाला भरने के बाद first month free देगा, फिर second month से वो सीधा automatically charge करना शुरू करेगा.
No, they will charge you. They will charge you automatically after 30 days.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
They'll automatically debit from your credit card.
Okay.
Exactly. The
So
moment you
then
go
the
next, they will.
screenshot thing is
Yeah,
better.
that's business model for the world. And the thing is, most of these American sites, and I've learned it the hard way, really hard way. Once they charge you, there is no refund, even if you cancel. What they
Yes.
say is, let's say I've taken a 1 month membership. I've taken the membership today, and 3 days later I want to cancel it. They'll say for this entire month, you have paid and you will get it even if you have cancelled it. From next month onwards, we will not charge you. Or if you've taken an annual membership to save money, for this entire year it will be valid, and from next year we will not charge you. I lost $500 in that.
I'll tell you something funny on the same lines. I had used a paid membership for a dating site, and there was no discontinuation thing. I was breaking my head. I think after 3 months, I got a light bulb moment. I just canceled my card. But it was a long job, Then I had to get a new card because I couldn't cancel it. So these things also happen.
Cool.
Okay, Hemant, I think what you can do is now play the video from the start and keep all the options. Record it first on your mobile also, just in case, and then take screenshots of each slide and try it that way.
Yes, yes.
One more
That's what I
idea,
will
if
do.
you allow me.
But I think
I have
this.
idea if you allow me.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So in that case, what you can do is try the screen recorder. When you start the screen recorder, play this video in a full screen like it is playing like a slideshow.
Okay.
Then everything gets recorded, video. Once the video finishes, stop the video and edit it the first and the last second. I mean, the first part and the last part, whichever is not feasible, not needed, you can cut it off. And that itself is a video for you. You don't need to again create a video. That also you can do it.
Yes, so I'll have to do the screen recorder now. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Well,
Hello.
thank you very much, everybody, for coming today. I think we had a plan to do a 1 hour session. We are already over 10 minutes. And yes, so that was the video making.
We finished I was in a meeting, so I was still doing it.
Vinay, please unmute yourself. Mute yourself, Vinay. Okay, great. Acha, continue, Hemant.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for coming. We created a video in Canva, and I think been a good learning experience. One of the most important being your initial steps have to be correct. Otherwise, you end up with a fantastic product which you can't use. So interesting one. So yes, it goes back to the preparation phase, which we talked about. Know what you're going to create. And of course, the tool which you're going to use, you need to know the tool itself. Okay. So RF is saying something. Let me look at the chat. Play the final version of your video, please. Okay, I'll play.
Please look at the crowns that are available, whatever you're selecting, because crowns are the ones which are telling you that you have to pay for the crown.
Yes, yes. So that's part of knowing the product which you are going to use. So know the tool which you are using so that we don't make those mistakes. So great. I think we are to the end of the session.
Hemant, send the video also to us.
Yes, yes. Once I figure out how to get the video. So I'll download it some way. And
it's a learning, for again and again when you see, so many things,
yes,
small little steps we take. We'll be making lots of mistakes, no doubt.
Absolutely.
But it's a learning. Thank you.
Perfect, perfect.
Hemant, play the final product after we've made all the changes. Play it once.
Yes, yes, I'll be doing that. So we play the video and then I'll close the meeting. So I'm just saying the thank you to all before that.
Very well done, Hemant.
Vibha,
Very
thank
well
you
done.
to you also. It was a good tips you kept on giving us. Thank you.
Absolutely. Ladies and the gentlemen who all gave the tips to how to make it better. Okay, and now we'll play it for one last time before we close the meeting. Okay, here we go.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
was-
Thank you, Hemant.
Thank you.
It was
Tomorrow
really
we-
learning experience.
Thank you. Tomorrow we will have Aruna ji creating a flyer. So there's
Yes.
homework for Aruna ji.
Yeah, hope I do my homework well.
Please come on time. 10 o'clock? Is it
Yes,
10?
again, back at the same time, same place, same.
Yes. And don't
That ID also is the same. The link is also the
Yeah, yeah,
same.
we'll use the
forget
same
the
link for these
IST,
4 days.
Indian Standard Time, not Indian Stretchable Time.
No, we were very prompt today. We all came on time. We just gave it a few minutes extra for more people to join in, and it was good. We waited. Yes, Vibha, you're saying something?
Yeah, I was saying now it's not Indian stretchable time. Now it's
Oh,
Indian
yeah,
seva
yeah.
time. We are
Yeah,
helping
it
each
is
other.
Seva time.
Seva time.
Okay, okay. Let me stop the recording
Thank you,
now.
guys.
Right.
Great.
Thank you.